Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Honda CTX700 Touring. This is the one with the fairing. It's got the tall touring windscreen, passenger backrest. Oh yeah, this is the automatic version. The DCT dual clutch automatic, ABS brakes, only 7,000 miles on this beautiful metallic red CTX700 dual clutch automatic. That means no shifting, no clutch, easy to ride, just like a scooter. Come by, make your automatic motorcycle dreams come true for just $63.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. She is not going to be here long. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.